Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Find the more explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo! Where are you?
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo! Where?
I'm trying to find.
Find who?
Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? He's my son. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together. When did you don't remember it all?
Is orange, white stripes, and he's got like you in his home?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where? I love games.
That's what.
Now look at this one. Bouncy that looks like a little
No, jellyfish.
right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something clean.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. Now think
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a little
No, jellyfish.
right. Okay, now maybe that's for you.
Stop moving around. It's jellyfish.
Wow, it's echoey in here. Echo. Hey, Snappy Jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Peekaboo, watch out. Look, I'm scared now.
Where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. Fish are friends, not food. Delicious little friends. I wonder if clownfish taste funny.
This is awesome! Grab shell, Nemo! It's the AC! I've never been in the AC before! This is fun! Really? When your dad had to find me, all like, whoa! And then he was like, whoa! Now you're here, so like, whoa! I saw the jellyfish! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
That's what I'm afraid of. With our friends in the big blue world, it's a journey together. Singing out this, too much to know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go.
Never stop. Help! Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place.
Bye now. I just love and it's fast. Maybe learn more. Details knowledge and five against more. This will all be on the test.
Well, back here, please exit and see to your right.